Hi there, Barry Hoey here, previewing a property in Cape Coral. We're at 1614 Palaco Grande Parkway here in Cape Coral. So here's the street. And in this community we have an optional HOA. And I'll get more information on that too. So let's have a quick look on the outside here. We've got quite a large lot. Plenty of storage at the back for parking or an additional shed or boat trailers or whatever. You can see where I'm parked back there. The AC is newer. We have the pool equipment here. And you'll see this on the inside. It's a cool, like a bar area. And look at all this storage. Plenty. You could have any amount of trailers or stuff here. RV. Many things you could do. So you see the size of my truck. It's only taking up a small part of the yard. So let's go around and go in the front. This home, it was built in 1980. It's 2478 square foot. There's our mechanicals again for the pool. And the AC Ream. It's a pretty new unit, pretty big. We're back nicely from the street. So you can see the stone finish on the outside. A little bit of wrought iron there, and the water feature. The 2-car garage over there. There's the roof. Let's go inside. We've got a small little bridge that we'll walk across here. And just turn back. That's the view from your front door. So let's come on inside. Quite a large home. We can go through on this side. We have 4 bedrooms plus a den. This one is set up as a gym. There's your closet. Popcorn ceilings. Go through here to the garage. Just a regular 2-car garage. Popcorn ceiling here as well in the garage. Property needs some TLC. This door takes you through to the outside. And we'll have a look out here in a few minutes. We've got storage here also. This is like a wood frame structure. Just show you the flooring here as well. Just laminate and tile there in the area where I was. So from this room you have your view out onto the water. There's the boat lift, which I'm told is about £10,000. That would need to be verified. So there's our front door again. And I suppose this space here could be considered a den. That would set up as a home office at the moment. And this is your living space here. Nice beams in the ceiling. Popcorn finish again on the ceilings. It's all laminate flooring here. So we'll go over towards the kitchen in a second. Got like a little breakfast area, dining area, breakfast bar. Most people would probably open this up here. You could make this into something of your that suits your lifestyle. So let's come over this way. You have your laundry. That tub here. Flooring, in case you're wondering, it's roughly 12-inch tile, and then laminate again here in the master bedroom. Got a window up over the bed. That's good for light. Again, everything could be updated to suit your taste. Walk-in closet, popcorn ceiling, and tub, bidet and toilet, and we've got a shower, pretty good size shower here. And this door takes you back out here to this bar area, which we'll check out shortly. So that's the master. So this is where we are again. Kitchen on the left hand side. Living room over here. So we're going to go make a right down here. One of the guest bedrooms. It's not a huge room, but it's sufficient for a closet there. And the ceiling here is not popcorn, it's like a knockdown. I was told that everything here is permitted, so here we have another guest bedroom. The ceiling here is popcorn. It's a good sized room, bay window. This is the one that looks out onto the front, the street at the front. So you have a good size closet there, little desk area. So you could use this, you know, if you're for an in-law suite, I suppose. It could be tied in with the other room that's next to it here. If you think about that, that's the other one, small bedroom there. Okay, let's come up this way. Back to the kitchen. So this is your ceiling again. Ceiling is pretty nice, and that probably could be a little bit more open there. So for living in West Florida, much of that is done outdoors, and we have plenty of outdoor living here. The pool is quite large. I'll step it in a second, but it's a fiberglass pool, nice pavers, and 10. So it's about 32 foot long. It's about probably 16 wide or something like that. This is kind of neat over here. There isn't much under truss at the back of the house, but they've made up for it over here with this cool bar. So for anyone that wants to party, this is pretty neat. I bet it's neat at night. Your pool. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere. You have your bar. So let's come out here into the yard. Have a look back at the pool area first. So that's the garage and the little storage area at the back of the garage, and obviously the street over there. I'm not quite sure where the boundary line is here. I'm assuming that I'm probably standing on it. This area here this is our gym. And most of this here is pretty new. Again, I'm told everything is permitted. So we have steps here to take it down. To this cool area. You can have your boat here. And what I'm told, it's 40 minutes to the Gulf from here. But to the river, obviously you hit the river first. But to get, to where you're looking at Sanibel and Pine Island, all of those places, it's going to be 40 minutes going through all the different zones, amenity areas and all of that. And I was told that they believe this is a £10,000 lift that needs to be verified. So this area here is pretty neat to entertain or whatever. Nice pavers, and then you have the house from here. So that gives a pretty good overview of the property. There's the neighbour's place over here. Pretty nice the way it's set up. And you're pretty close to everything here. Just have one quick walk over here a little bit towards my truck. So that trailer, it's probably 25 foot long, and it's, you know, looks, there's plenty of space here for parking or whatever. So there's the back of the house again. And as I mentioned, I'm told that everything was permitted. Anyway, hopefully that gives a good overview of this one. Barry Hoey with the Hoey team, brokered by eXp Realty, and we'll send some more information. I'll put information in the description here for the YouTube video. If you click for more details, I'll put all the stats down there too. Alrighty, chat later. On to the next one. I missed one of the bathrooms here, I think. So this is one of the guest bathrooms. It's like a granite material. There's the shower. And I have this bedroom here as well. It's just a little storage closet. There's a lot of storage in the property. And this bedroom was to laminate. And it's got a knock down on the ceiling. That's your flooring. This was the room here with the gym equipment. The garage is past there. Front door. There's that recap.